On this episode, we are going to recreate the exact same intro we created using the Adobe Premiere Pro on the laptop. We are going to replicate same rather on our mobile device using a software called Powerdirector. So for my mobile device, I use an application called Powerdirector. You can actually get Powerdirector on the Google Play Store or also on the Apple Store. So it's actually a very good application for mobile video editing. So let's get into it. So this is my Powerdirector. Okay. So I go to new project. All right, then so I import the background video like I did using the Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is the background video here, though this one comes with the music, but I'm going to mute the music because we don't need the music or the soundtrack that I came with this video. So I'm going to play to preview my video. Okay, it's playing nice and easy. So I'll go on and look for the image we used for the Adobe Premiere Pro. So I can find that image here on this folder. So I'll go ahead and import it. So the next thing to do is to actually transform the image into a cycle format. So I click on this pencil tool by the bottom left corner. Then I go to mask. I go to Eclipse. Right, so I've already achieved what I wanted to achieve. So I shrink it down. Wow, this makes this lady look more beautiful. The lady is already a beautiful lady on her own. That's just by the way. So I haven't shrinked that, so I can now zoom in. Right. So let me play and see. The whole thing is just there. So I need to add border to it. So I go back to my pencil tool. So on my edit panel, then I go to border. Then I click on the white panel. So this is the border. So border, and then I go to shadows. I add black shadows also. So if you now notice, see that the picture has black shadows around it. So don't worry, I'm going to teach you in detail in the next video how I actually did this. I'm going to explain the Powerdirector panels. The whole editing app. I'm going to break everything down for your own understanding. So the essence of this video is to actually show you that which you can do with your laptop, you can actually achieve that using your mobile device. So in the next video, I'm going to break everything down for your own understanding. So don't bother that I'm a little bit fast. Just all you need to do is to follow this channel so that to be abreast when I upload the video. So let's get back right into it. So all I need to do now is to keyframe this image. So I need to shrink it down. So I'm going to shrink it down to 0. Then what I'm going to do is that this button is the keyframing button. So when I click it, then I can now drag it a little bit forward, right? Then I now zoom out. This is how I want it to be. Okay, let's play it and see if it gives up. Okay, that's nice. So the next thing I will want to do as well is to also keyframe it further. Let me zoom in further like this. Then move it upward. Okay, that's good. Then shrinking it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, nice. So we'll go ahead and add the soundtrack. So you can actually do this. Actually easier to create this using your phone. So to me personally, I feel it's actually easier. I'm a professional video editor, so wherever I go I carry my phone, but not all of the places I go that I can carry my laptop. My laptop is a little bit bulky, or I'll be in my studio always. No, that doesn't happen. So but there's a certain job I can get, I can just decide to run it to my phone and send it to my client. They will never ever be able to identify that actually this job was done using a mobile device. So the next thing to do now is to add my soundtrack, right? the same one we used for the laptop. Okay, this is my soundtrack. So let's play it and see. Okay, that is nicely done. That's nice. So the next thing to do now is to what? Add the text. So we still go click on this panel, add text. Then the name on that, the laptop version is Alicia Beauty. Well, the lady's name, the lady in question, her name is Alicia, but the beauty I added because she's actually beautiful. So that's just by the way to kind of amuse us during the course of this tutorial. So Alicia Beauty, so that is it. So let's go and add title designer, format, increase it to bold, then add a black border. There's a black border already in there. Then shadow, add a white shadow onto it, then reduce the opacity a little bit, then now okay. So drag it down here. So but there's no motion to it, so we click to add motion, go to animation, click here, then I go to zoom. So I add zoom. Okay, I think it's okay like nice. So I also go to zoom out. Okay. Nice. Now there you have it. So it's not that hard. It's even harder for us to achieve with our PC. So in the next video, I'm going to break down how I was able to do this using my phone, right? And from where I got all of these assets in order to help you achieve the same result that I achieved. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like as well, and also send in your comment. If actually there's another full mobile or there's another mobile application you'll want me to merge or to compare with the Adobe Premiere Pro, like the Capcut, the KineMaster, just name them. You can just indicate in the comment section below. So I still remain ERNEST CHIBUIKE. So